Today, Robbie is picking up a 68 Chevelle that he is getting shipped from Ohio. So it's a long ways away from California. And we're going to be starting a build. Obviously, it's not mine, it's Robbie's. So he's going to be working on it himself. But I'm going to show you guys as much as I can of me working on it and updating on what he's done to it as well. There's going to be a lot. I'm doing it a little bit different. I'm filming all this on my phone because it's just like a first reaction to the build. We're going to do a little bit of work on it today, clean it up, and drive it for the first time. See how it sounds, see how it drives, and just figure out what we need to do in the future. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Stay till the end. It really helps me out. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and enjoy the video.
News to me. Sweet. And then these are just extras, huh? Okay, sweet.
He's just like, good luck. Give it some gas.
Oh yeah, look at my overfill.
How they do it.
The good news is I think this car's still worth it. I think it's still worth it out here.
I hope so, Eddie.
This is crazy, bro. That's a lot of everything.
I mean,
She doesn't
still looks sick.
What?
Be a lot of work.
That was just thick.
It's gonna be a lot of work. I'll tell you that much.
Oh yeah, she needs a little TLC.
Just some upgrades though.
You can get this. This is aftermarket. Get this right here. Didn't even clip the zip tie.
Inside's pretty rough.
Needs a quick back.
This shifter situation is not ideal, and the gas pedal is non-existent. Is it like all the...
No,
Bruh.
It's a.
You can't even... How are you pushing fucking gas?
Hey, dude, it's like nothing.
I mean, we're at the point of we need to get it running now. Well, I mean, it didn't have a problem starting. It just had a problem staying started. It's not bad. It'll give us something to do
Yeah. That's it.
every day. You can do something every day on this thing.
Oh
is a-
yeah. Yeah, this is
This isn't bad though.
no, that's not that's not bad. I'm surprised he tells me about that, but not this like antenna on it.
See, there's a raccoon in here.
Just waiting for us. Okay. Spider has some parts.
Let's wash it. Anyone else?
Full deep clean. I'll help you deep clean it. I'm trying to stay out of the house.
Yeah, well, we can do that today.
So all this stuff we really just found in the trunk of the car. It's just a bunch of random parts, from digital dashes to there were some valves that I think we're actually going to use for the exhaust to make it loud when we want it loud and then make it quiet when we want it quiet, of course. A bunch of little brackets, pumps, just like things we probably won't use for this car unless Robbie wants to. If he finds a use for them, great. If not, we won't use it. Don't need locks anymore.
You don't need to buy locks anymore.
Look at that, already saving money. That means we can spend more money on cool stuff.
Yes.
That's it, dude. We have
I love
everything
it
now.
when you-
Oh my gosh. Things almost
That's like
so street worthy. Look at it.
That's like $1,000. We can get like a turbo.
Should be rebuilt by the weekend.
Yes, let's wash it first.
The weekend, 6 years from now.
Yeah.
Robbie, I have a solution for this missing piece right here. And I think it'll work perfectly.
Hit me.
A Scotch-Brite pad.
Oh yeah, dude. Clean the bottom of your shoes and protect the mat, dude.
That's
Look at that, it's the
perfect.
exact same color.
That's perfect.
Here, let me get it wet. You can see it.
You just sand your toes while you're down there?
Dude, clean the bottom of the shoes.
Same thing.
Come on.
That is badass.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, dude.
That's awesome.
Sounds so good.
Yeah, like right here. Oh fuck. Dude, these people are gonna be pissed. Oh. How do you feel after the first drive?
Dude, this thing is wild, dude. She's a monster. I don't know.
So
What to say,
loud.
man.
Crazy loud. And actually really fast.
Yeah, just dumps out right underneath the cab and can't hear a thing.
Yeah. Definitely an exhaust.
Yeah,
Quick.
100%. I mean, I think we did pretty well. She runs, she drives. She's not a total rust bucket. She'll need work, but other than that, I think she's doing pretty good.
Hell
It's
yeah.
a pretty good purchase.
It's a great purchase.
It's so fun.
Hell yeah. Well, we need to get some more stuff done on it.
I know. Amen. Here goes the rest of my paychecks for the next 2 years.
Get to ordering.
Yeah.